How old is mommy gonna be?
25.
25?
Yeah.
25? Oh, you're so sweet.
25になったらすぐは大きい自転車に乗れるくなる。
お菓子が入ってますよ、ご飯の中にお菓子が。
That's not a snack. It's tortillas. Hi everybody. The other day I went to Costco and I found these tortilla chips. The Costco that I go to has been out of these for like a year now, I think. At least I haven't seen them. I use tortilla chips for a lot of things. I make tortilla soup with them. Of course, I use them for dipping and nachos, of course. So I love these. And I have been wanting to share this really easy chicken tortilla soup recipe with all of you for the longest time now. But the Costco's been out of these tortilla chips, so I have not been able to do that. So that's what I'm gonna make today. Normally, if I was gonna make this recipe in America, I would just use regular corn tortillas, but I can't seem to find them anywhere in Japan. So for the past few years, I have been using this for my tortilla soup, and it's fine, it works. Of course, the biggest problem with this is the size of the package. You get an enormous amount of tortilla chips. The recipe I'm going to make today is super easy to make and it tastes so good. The only thing is that it's not authentic Mexican food by any means. It's more like an Americanized version of a semi-Mexican dish, but it still tastes really good. So this is seriously the easiest recipe ever. This one is a little too green, so I'm probably gonna use this one. You need some salsa, but don't get anything that's too spicy. It has to be very mild. We're gonna be diluting this with a lot of chicken broth, so it's not spicy at all. Then you're gonna need some kind of garlic. You can use a clove of garlic, or you can use some garlic powder. I only have garlic powder today, so I'm just gonna use this. And last but not least, sour cream. This is what makes it so good at the end. You must have sour cream. It does require a lot of ingredients, but it's actually really easy to make. This is seriously the easiest recipe ever. The only problem is the tortilla chips. My local supermarket does not carry them, so basically I'm at the mercy of Costco every time I make this recipe. Oh no, no! The drilling! Oh my god, somebody's drilling! I'm making chicken soup. Oh my god, there's like drilling. You can either cut this in strips or cubes. All I'm gonna do is cook this in some olive oil with some garlic. This is a really old pan, so if I don't keep stirring, the chicken sticks to the bottom. I'm just gonna add some garlic powder. Now we're gonna put in some cumin. Ooh! Now it's starting to smell like Mexican food. Now I'm gonna turn off the heat. Now I'm gonna add the onions. I'm gonna add the corn. I'm gonna cover this and cook this on a medium heat. Olivia is home now, and she appears to be making something for mommy. I think she's making me a surprise.
マミプレゼント作ってるのよ。
Oh, for mommy's birthday or for Christmas?
マミプレゼント。
Oh, how old is mommy gonna be?
25.
25?
Yeah.
25? Oh, you're so sweet. Thank you.
25になったらシュグは大きい自転車に乗れるくなる。
Oh, wow. Thank you.
25はもっと大きい自転車。
This is what Olivia's working on. Apparently, she is working on a present for me.
マ
And
ミ
she's...
ちょっとはどこに行った？
どうぞ、これ？
シュグじゃなくてさっきのはこんなのやつ。
ドラえもん？
違う、そんなしない。マミがさっきから新しいペーパー買ったんだって。オレンジペーパー。
Orange paper.
あれ、一緒。
Oh, the construction paper.
Yeah.
Okay, you want some?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll get it.
Oh, I got this. Oh, like this. This is good.
Olivia, what color do you want? Orange or blue? Or white or brown or pink?
I want the orange.
Okay.
Today is orange, right? Today is Christmas, right? I will do. I can go back one.
There you go.
Thanks.
Do you need scissors? It's the same. Oh, it's a different. You're right, Olivia. Oh, you're right. It's orange, but it's a different kind of orange. It's like a salmon pink. But it's still orangey. We gotta eat dinner now, okay? Mommy's gonna heat up the dinner, okay?
Oh, wait, I'm ready.
Olivia, mommy made dinner, okay? So we gotta eat soon. All right?
Oh, what? Okay. Oh, mommy.
Yeah.
I do it for you. Look at that.
Oh, it's so beautiful. Olivia, let me see, honey. Let me see. Oh,
My karatoku.
yes, please. This is beautiful, Olivia. This is what Olivia drew for me. Isn't this cool, you guys? Taka and Alex just got home. Perfect timing. So now we're gonna sit and eat. The kids obviously can't have any of the soup because it is a little spicy. So I made some natto and rice for Olivia with some broccoli. And I made some rice and broccoli and chicken for Alex. So basically, Taka and I are gonna be the ones enjoying the soup.
僕が先に食べるからね。
Oh, okay.
いただき。
Masu. I'm gonna go ahead and get the soup ready now. Then you're going to take some sour cream. And that is what it looks like. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna add some tortilla chips to the soup. This is what the soup looks like. Basically, you're gonna mix everything up and you are going to break up the tortilla chips into the soup. And that's very, very cheesy. It's a very nice soup. Alex and Daddy are home. Let's see, okay, when they come in.
おかえり。
Okairi! Hi! Hi! Hi!
納豆食べてんの？はい、もう
そう
食べよ
はい、here you go.
う。おほー。これなんていうやつ？
I don't know, just like a tortilla soup?
トルティーヤスー
そう
プ。メキシコではでも普通に食うやつやろ？
レシピが全然違う。これはアメリカナイズドされた。
ああ。
ちょっと辛かったお兄ちゃん。
じゃあいただきます。
うん
じゃあいただきます。
見てもらっていいですか？
うん。
うん。
でもチーズ。
うん。もうこれね、なんか日本では、絶対食わんじゃん。
日本では
見てこのお菓子が入ってますよ、ご飯の中にお菓子が。
Alex, Daddy's saying that there's a snack in the dinner. That's not a snack. It's tortillas.
あ、これあれスナックっぽいよね。
なんで？
サンドイッチにとポテトチップスも俺たちからしたらスナックない。
まあそうだね。前も言ったよね。
超寒いから超いい。
いや。いただきます。
いや
まあね。あれじゃふるさとの味だもんね。
Tastes like home, yeah. Oh, look at this cheese!
ワイシャのふるさとの味が左のスープで、右がオリビアのふるさとの味。納豆ご飯。大好きね、納豆ご飯ね。
Tell Daddy 言えてる。
言えてる。
女優さんやな、ほんと。
I think it's so good.
食べるよ。
I think it's really good. でもどう？日本人が好きそうかな？チーズ好きな人。
まあ、食い慣れたら好きなんじゃない？
そうか。
うん。
Oh, one more, give me another. Whoa. Aww. So that was
見て。
my. Look how much she eats.
Yeah.
So this was my version of tortilla soup. Like I said, it's not super authentic. We wouldn't exactly get something like this in Mexico, but it is really good. I do recommend it just because I love it. I think it's really good. Okay, everybody, have a nice day. We'll see you next time. Bye.